in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 3 p.m. At 11:54 a.m., Doppler radar indicated numerous thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Mojave National Preserve. 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen under the strongest storms. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Baker, Mitchell Caverns, Chima, Kelso, Mountain Pass, Amboy, Nipton, Ludlow, Nipton and Evansville Roads, and Essex. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 in California between mile markers 97 and 185. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 32 and 126. This includes the following roadways: Cal Baker Road, Chima Road, Nipton Road, Essex Road, and Morningstar Mine Road. Flash flood warning for the following county.